chain. Organisms need food to survive. The organisms can make their own food, called autotrophs. And some of them depend on the other organisms, called heterotrophs. Sun is a source of energy to produce food through photosynthesis. Food chain, the transfer of food energy from the source in the plants to reservoirs of organisms with repeated eating and being eaten. It starts from the producers, which uses the energy from the sun as photosynthesis to create food. Producers are eaten by the consumers. We have the primary consumers, secondary consumers, and tertiary consumers, or the top predator. For example, the phytoplankton to take energy from the sun, then eaten by the zooplankton is the first consumer, then eaten by the small fish, the second consumer, and the top predator. Balancing of a food chain is a food web that consists of all organisms in a single ecosystem. Food web is formed by interconnections of different species in a food chain. Trophic level. The interconnection of a food chain phenomena, energy lost at each transfer, and the size metabolism relationship result in communities having a defined trophic structure. Ecological pyramids. In an ecological pyramid, the various trophic levels are the primary producers, or at the base, consumers, the primary, secondary, tertiary, and etc., and predators, the apex. There are essentially two major types of organisms based on their feeding mode. Pyramids. The pyramids in number, in which the number of individual organisms is depicted. Basic graphical presentation. Based on the numbers of organisms, each bar of the pyramids represents the different trophic levels. Who eats and whom the energy flows from one to another organisms. The pyramid of biomass, based on the total dry weight, caloric value, or other measure of the total amount of living material. The pyramid of energy, in which the rate of energy flow and or productivity at successive trophic level is shown.
Well, that is my presentation all about. I am FoodChain, just by 2, and I hope you like it. See you next time.